Hello friends, today we will be discussing something like decision making. What is the main parameter for taking a right decision at a right time? See, it depends on the caliber, capability, confidence. These all factors are responsible for taking the decision, a right decision and at a right time decision. This depends, means how to take the decision and who will be the most competent person to take the decision. Depends on so many factors. One is, yes, as per the Rashi. Then is as per the planetary position. And third is that which category you belong to. Yes, planetary position. So, which are the planets? One is moon, because primary planet for the mind is moon, and everything decision, when you want to take a decision, it's your brain who works first. Then secondary planet is Mercury. Mercury gives you wisdom, gives you analytic approach to take the decision. So these two planets, then of course Sun will also come, because Sun is a planet to give you the confidence. Then Mars will also come, because that gives a courage to take the decision, leadership. Then Jupiter, yes, Jupiter will give you the point in such a way that taking a religious area means decision taken on the basis of Jupiter will be just like non-harming to anybody. Then comes Venus. Venus is such a planet, it's very, very fast in thinking and all that. So he will be, or he or she will be taking decision in a very short period, quick. Then ultimately Saturn. Saturn gives you what? It's a planet for discipline and system. So in Saturn, if we see the aspect of Saturn on decision making, that takes time. The person will take time, will sit, think, again think, and will be taking the decision, and most of the time these decisions will be correct. Decision taken on the basis of Moon, Mercury, Jupiter and Saturn will be more correct. Decision taken on the basis of Mars will be aggressive movement. He may be feeling irritable and then take the decision. It's said you should be first comfortable, then only you can decide a thing. So this is like this. Now comes the second point. Second point is, in your horoscope we have 12 houses. So the house, first is the 5th house. House of output, house of performance, house of wisdom, house of studies. And then 9th house, it's a house of luck, overall luck. And then again 11th house. 11th house is a house of profit. So decision, right decision means right decision will take you to the profits. So 11th house of that horoscope. So 5th, 9th and 11th house seen. And then of course 10th house is also seen. What is the aspect on the 10th house and all that. So these are the houses. Now comes that based on the Rashi character. See, number 1, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. These are the fiery Rashis. I had taken one video on my YouTube, it's lying there, that all the 12 Rashis I have divided in this fire element, water element, earth element, Akash, space element. तो वो that thing is always there, that based on what? Based on the character of that Rashi. If I say fiery element Rashis, the person will be always in a very aggressive way will be taking the decision. But in case if I see water element, means Cancerian, Scorpion and Pisces, then their decision will be mainly based on the emotions. They have water content, so mainly based on the emotions. So in that way the things are. So now let's go for the one by one, what is what. So concluding part, which contains everything. So what is that? For right decision, timely decision, the capability will depend. First planet that should be taken care is moon. If you have exalted moon placed in either of these 5th, 9th or 11th houses, you will definitely be a good person, good deciding person. Your analytic approach will be exemplary. So this is like this. Then second is Mercury. And third, Jupiter, and fourth is Saturn. But above all this, the main thing is courage, confidence. So that is Sun. So we are required to assess in every individual horoscope the planetary positions, and we should weigh these planets how they are. They are in depletion, they are in exaltation, they are having this much power, they are having this much power. We have to assess. And remedies for the planet which is missing for all these points. Suppose moon is in depletion, then all remedies regarding or in reference to moon is to be done. In the same way, it's like Jupiter is also Capricorn Jupiter placed in 6th, 8th house, then it's required. And especially in case the Sun is in Libra, then he or she has to undergo all the remedies for the Sun. So this is something in a very short I have said about the decision making. This is first part of my series of these all videos. As I told you in the start of 2022, I will be making about the mind. So now somebody suggested me that we should first start with the word, the nirnay, the decision, capability, caliber, intelligence, how to take a decision, right time decision. So I have said about this. Now the second I will be taking something about career, then about the mind. This is also part of the mind. So all the very best, my dear friends. All the very best.